Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with Italia. Today guys we're going to make very easy and traditional Italian dish. It's pasta al forno. It's like lasagna but with pasta. Easy because Enrico love it. I'm cooking because Enrico asked me and I do. Okay. We need, it's not expensive, we need passata, some ground mozzarella, Parmesan, some pasta, any pasta. I'm gonna use this one, but you can use penne, fusilli, what you like. I put carrot, onion and celery. I grate that because Enrico, my son, he don't like in bit. And mince. I like rich of mince. And this is 50-50 pork and beef. Make, you're gonna have a tray to put in the oven, and that's it, easy. Well, not really, easy. Okay, on some olive oil on the bottom, extra virgin from my cousin in Puglia. That's it. The process is very, I forgot. And we need couple eggs, and later I'll show you when we're gonna use this. Okay, 2 eggs, I put here. Guys, you like this chopping board? Today is my birthday and my partner, soon wife, give me this for present, okay? I love it. Thank you, Susie. Everything inside. I do this like bolognese, but you know, you can do with basil, everything you like, you know. I told you we are not master chef, but I cook for Enrico and me. We need to cook this a little bit. When it's ready, this is gonna take 2-3 minutes. I show you, okay? Okay guys, we're gonna have something like this. We don't have to cook like bolognese 3-4 hours. This 45-50 minutes for me is enough. Now meat inside. Make sure you open it like this. Leave it to cook a little bit like that. Not too strong. Put lid on. Ellie, when the meat is cooked, I'm gonna show you later. I'm gonna leave this at least 15-20 minutes. Later we're gonna have some passata. The job is almost done. Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, this 20 minutes gone. We're gonna have something like this, okay? Now it's the time to put the passata. I use this, but you can use any passata you like. Put inside. I cook a little bit more because we like some leftover, okay? Guys, anyway, if you like this video, always share with a friend, subscribe, check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. Just follow us. We're happy to show you a lot of stuff. And other thing I want to say, a lot of people, they used to make with bechamel or stuff like that. Enrico, my son, he don't like all this stuff. That's why I cook very simple, because he likes just some mozzarella. But you can have bechamel, parma, cook ham, salami, what you like, okay? Check always salt, pepper, stuff like that. Gonna cook around another 40 minutes. It's ready. And later I show you the next step. Okay? See you later. Okay guys, 50 minutes gone. The ragu is ready. Water is already on. Now it's time to put pasta. Any pasta you like. We cook half time because we're gonna finish in the oven. No, if it's 10 minutes, the cooking, you have 5. If it's 8, you have 4. Stuff like that, okay? When the pasta is ready, I show you to put it in the tray, ready to go in the oven, okay? See you soon. Okay guys, the pasta is almost done. Okay guys, now is the moment to put the eggs. These eggs is just, they working to keep all together when we put in the oven, okay? Mix properly, some sauce inside. Mix again, just to give color. Now I show you how working. On the bottom, some sauce, the tomato sauce, like Enrico said. Put everywhere. This is very easy. I told you we are not master chef, but this pasta al forno is very nice. Put some pasta. We're gonna do like layer. This is half kilo. The same process when you do lasagna. And I like mozzarella, but someone like bechamel, what you want, put. Little bit of Parmesan And again, sauce. And this. Well, you're gonna do this to all pasta. Okay? See you when I finish. Okay, guys. All the pasta is on. The last layer. I recommend you to press a little bit because this pasta, when cooked in the oven, gonna grind a little bit more. The last touch. And when you cook, this is gonna be in the oven 200 degrees about 30-35 minutes. The last 7 minutes, 6, 7, 8 minutes, you can put grill to make crispy on the top. Okay? And that is done. Little bit more mozzarella, Parmesan. Parmesan is very nice. And I recommend you just a little bit butter. 1 and 2. The pasta al forno is ready to go in the oven. When it's ready, I'll tell you precise how many minutes in the oven, but gonna be around 30-35 minutes. Okay? Going in the oven.
Bye bye.
Bye bye pasta. See you soon.
See you soon. See you later.
Okay, see you later, guys. Okay, guys, half an hour, but you can be like even 25 minutes. I like crispy like this. Look there. Wow. Enrico gonna love it. Voila.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Now the best way for this, guys, is leave at least 20-25 minutes to cool down. If you like, you can put some aluminum foil on the top, but I'm gonna leave like that. And È buonissima. Al bacio. The pasta al forno is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.